What is up, guys? This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at some key information about a famous wine estate, a famous property, a famous winery of the Bordeaux left bank in France. We are looking at some key facts in how to pronounce correctly with the typical French pronunciation, Château Pontet-Canet. So Château Pontet-Canet is a fifth growth of the famous 1855 classification of the wines from Bordeaux. It makes wine predominantly from Cabernet Sauvignon. It is a neighbor of Château Mouton Rothschild and Château d'Armaillac in the heart of Pauillac, and it has been owned by the Tesseron family from Cognac since 1975. So despite being only a fifth growth of the 1855 classification, well, the quality of Pontet-Canet has risen dramatically, and its fame, its reputation has dramatically risen since the 1970s, because, in part, because the viticulture there is certified organic and biodynamic as well. It is one of the first and one of the few estates in Bordeaux to be biodynamic, giving birth to very characterful, very interesting wines. Hence, the demand for Pontet-Canet, the prices as well, have risen dramatically. So how do you go about pronouncing Château Pontet-Canet? Well, I've said it a few times. Do not pronounce the T's at the end of each word. They are silent, as is often the case in French. So you just say Château Pontet-Canet. Château Pontet-Canet. It'd be fine in English to say Château Pontet-Canet, Château Pontet-Canet. Château Pontet-Canet, again, neighboring the famous Mouton Rothschild wines. The wines are a blend, as usual, a Bordeaux blend of Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, and a little bit of Petit, Verdot. I hope this video was useful. Here is a video explaining what you should know about the 1855 classification of the wines from Bordeaux, everything that you should know about it, including talking about Pontet-Canet. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.